Well, if you're new here, we're over at Danny's. They're selling cob corn. They use the cobs for bedding, plus then they use the cobs, they put them in a grinder mixer, grind them down with the 1 inch, and they have a big boiler, kind of like a wood boiler, but it's made for corn cobs, and that's how they heat the farm with that. So a lot of questions wondering, they take the husk, they use the husk for bedding too, then that goes back out into the field then for fertilizer. So here's what the cobs look like when they get out of the grinder mixer. Grind them up like that and just auger them in here. Take them by a big garbage can like that. Dump them into this hopper here. Harvey built all this. And they get just slowly fed into here by an auger to the stove here. There's hot water heat then.
Okay, now we key up the corn, the crib. So we key up the crib by hand a little bit, and then it should be ready for fill up the crib again.
Then you got one left to go.
Yep, one crib left.
Finish that tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. So maybe we'll come back tomorrow and video that. Today they're gonna clean all this stuff up here and then be ready to rock and roll or refill them in a couple weeks.
Hopefully maybe next week.
Next week?
Yeah, hopefully. So
up all these cribs today, and move all these blocks over here and get this crib opened up, and possibly start shelling it today. Then they'll work on it more tomorrow, so we'll stop for it tomorrow. Here's a little thing on the operation. Here's a ramp that Harvey made. I helped a little bit on it. We're driving up here doing the corn. We got a white 1210 corn sheller from the mid-70s. Danny picked up a new grain cart over here for the grain in. And there's the cobs over there. They'll be going into the grinder mixer then. Right now they just put them in one of the hoop sheds. Then later, when they need them, they grind them in the grinder mixer to get them small. Then they burn them in the corn boiler. I tried putting them in my pellet stove, but it just didn't work that good as it works here. Here's the bedding material right here. Got a few little cobs in it, but work good for bedding.
I got a new combine. Somebody.
Who?
Big combine.
Who got it?
What?
Who got it? Who got it?
The how farm work.
Oh.
No. Just a new deal come up this morning.
You watch Harmless Farmer?
What?
You watch Harmless Farmer? Harmless Farmer?
Yep.
Hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you on the next video. Bye.